Hey everyone, I'm beyond excited to share the mind-blowing features of the PlayStation 5 Pro with you. Sony has crafted a console that promises to redefine our gaming experiences from the ground up. So let's not waste any time and get into what makes this beast tick. Codenamed Trinity, the PlayStation 5 Pro is equipped with enhanced ray tracing, a more powerful GPU, and a faster CPU. These upgrades mean we can expect breathtaking visual quality and super smooth performance in our favorite games. The GPU in the PS5 Pro is 45% faster than that of the standard PS5. This means games will look sharper and run more smoothly, even at higher resolutions and frame rates. Just imagine the detail in every scene, the fluidity of every movement. Sony's new ray tracing architecture is a game changer, offering 3 times the performance of the original PS5. This means more realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections that will pull you deeper into the game world. And let's talk about the CPU. The PS5 Pro features a new mode targeting a 3.85 GHz frequency, a solid 10% boost over the standard model. This gives developers the flexibility to push the boundaries of what their games can do, optimizing for both performance and visual fidelity. Memory bandwidth has been bumped up by 28% to 576 GB, along with an additional 1.2 GB of system memory, bringing the total to 13.7 GB. These enhancements are crucial for supporting Sony's PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution (PSSR) technology. Now, PSSR is Sony's answer to NVIDIA's DLSS and AMD's FSR. It's all about using smart tech to upscale images, enhancing frame rates and image quality, making your games look and feel better than ever. Developers are already hard at work, preparing to take full advantage of this new hardware. Sony is pushing them to utilize the PS5 Pro's advanced graphics capabilities. Games that make significant use of these improvements will proudly carry the Trinity Enhanced label. We're looking at a 2024 holiday season release for the PlayStation 5 Pro. The future of gaming is about to get a whole lot brighter and more immersive. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates, previews, and in-depth reviews as we get closer to launch.